camp. Are they coming in? What's happening? Hey guys!
Very cute frogs.
Very good frogs. Jeff, what did you say to her?
Huh?
What were you whispering to her?
Oh, nothing. Don't worry about it.